guys, welcome back to Bartlow's Barbecue, and today we are smoking, that's right, beer can breakfast burgers. Hey, this was inspired by BBQ Pit Boys, and I'm just now coming across this awesome recipe, and we're gonna give it a shot, so let's go. All right, guys, well now I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process on how to make beer can breakfast burgers. And if you don't want breakfast and you just wanna make beer can burgers, you can do that too. All you're gonna need is to get your ground beef, 80-20 or whatever your percentage might be. You're gonna roll it in a ball just like that. You're gonna put it back down here. You're gonna take a beer can, and I didn't have beer, so I'm using a Sprite can, and you're literally just going to press down like this. And then we are going to push the meat all around the can. You wanna be sure to get it fully wrapped, because obviously the meat can get loosened, because we're gonna have to take this can out as it's making a little cave for us that we're gonna fill it with all the different fillings that you particularly like. So let's do that. Feel like I've got it pretty good here. And now, just gonna slowly turn it, twist it. There we go. Just like that. And what I like to do is like to press in right here. And if you notice if there's any thin layer on the outside, you can just kind of pinch some meat from the inside to create a little thicker wall if you think you need that. And then I'm just gonna push down a little bit more to give us exactly what we need. And just like that, you've got yourself a little cave. Because we're making breakfast, I'm using Jimmy Dean's fully cooked pork sausage. We're gonna just fill that up just like that. Also going to bring some of this goodness over. Right here, some Philadelphia, right here. We're gonna put this right in there, some cream cheese. This might not be to your liking, and that's okay. And all you gotta do is just scoop a thin slice right in there. And we'll just move that to the side. And earlier, I used my favorite barbecue rub, and I just kind of dabbled it around the meat, but I'm gonna also sprinkle just a little bit inside there, because again, this is a barbecue recipe. We want to add a little barbecue flavor to it. And then we're going to put this on the Kamado Joe at temperature of 300 and then let it smoke and cook indirectly for about an hour. And then towards the end, maybe 15 to 20 minutes before, I'm going to crack an egg on top of it and let it just get to the perfect temperature. And these puppies should be done. Let's go. Then you're going to wrap the bacon around the meat. I'm using 2 slices of bacon to get a good thick layer on there, and you'll notice how it just sticks on there naturally. Just like that. Now we're gonna put it on the grill. All right guys, welcome back. Now we're putting these breakfast bacon burgers on the grill. I've already put them on there, but wanted to kind of show you what this looked like. You simply just gotta put these right on the grill like that. Add some barbecue sauce to your liking, thin layer around the bacon. This is gonna help it caramelize, and then we're gonna let it smoke and cook for about an hour or a little longer till we get to that internal temperature of 160. So I'll give you an update here in a little bit. All right guys, well welcome back. Now we are at the 155 temperature. We'll be taking it off at the 160 temperature. And so right now we're gonna take an egg and crack it over a few of these eggs. I'm not gonna do all of them a certain way. Man, that looks delicious. Oh my gosh, here we go. Woo! Oh, we lost some of that. That's okay. And then we're gonna, that one looks so delicious. All right, we're gonna do this one here. Woo! Okay. All right, we got those eggs on there as a firm layer, and we'll let those cook just for a little bit. Delicious. All right, guys, we are done with these bacon breakfast burgers. They turned out awesome. So I've already done a taste test with one of them, bringing them inside for the family. Sliced it open. I've already showed you a video of what that looks like. These taste delicious. I highly recommend adding this to your barbecue recipe, especially the breakfast. I mean, add the barbecue flavor. All the taste buds just exploded, like with the barbecue flavor on the outside of the eggs, and then the smokiness got to that sausage inside, and just the natural juices of the hamburger and everything smoking for a little over an hour. It's probably an hour and 20 minutes to get to that 160 temperature, and it was incredible. They turned out, I would say they exceeded my expectations. So definitely gonna add this one to a party favor that I might make for more friends, more family, in the time that it might require to do that in an upcoming event. So anyways, if you liked what you saw, subscribe, like, turn on the notifications. I hope you learned something about how to make some breakfast burgers, bacon burgers. Man, they were delicious. And I might try this with just plain hamburgers and add some different fixings that way. So hope you enjoyed it. Put the comment down below. I'd love to know what you thought. What was your favorite part? Have you ever done this? Let me know what you think. Otherwise, till next time, enjoy barbecuing, and we'll see you soon.